Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and your bank account isn't on life support. You don't have to dread the bills or stress about not having enough money for the things you actually want. Sound too good to be true? What if I told you that you could start making an extra $500 or more every single month just by using your time wisely? In this video, I'm going to show you the best side hustles for beginners that can help you make $500 plus a month. I'm talking about real ways to take control of your financial future without needing to quit your day job yet. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to get out of debt, these hustles are the way to start building the life you deserve. Stick around to the end because I'm going to drop the ultimate side hustle that could change everything for you. The importance of financial freedom. We've all heard it. Money doesn't buy happiness. But here's the reality. Money buys freedom. It buys the ability to travel, to invest, to live life on your terms. The problem? Most of us are stuck in the cycle of working hard, but never truly getting ahead. That's why a side hustle is the perfect way to change the game. It allows you to make extra cash without disrupting your main job, so you can build wealth at your own pace. But the trick is knowing which side hustles are worth your time and energy. So let's get started with the 10 best side hustles that can help you earn at least $500 a month and start living the lifestyle you've always wanted. Freelance writing. First up, freelance writing. You've probably heard of it, but it's time to ask yourself, have you tried it yet? If you've got a way with words, businesses are begging for content. From blog posts to product descriptions to social media captions, freelance writing is in high demand. And here's the best part. You don't need a degree in English. With platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can land writing gigs that pay anywhere from $50 to $300 per project. Imagine writing 2 to 3 articles a month for $500 plus in passive income, just for doing what you love. But here's the catch. You've got to hustle. Consistency and building a portfolio are your keys to success. But once you've got that, you'll be unstoppable. Virtual assistant, VA, virtual assistant. Imagine helping busy entrepreneurs or professionals with their day-to-day tasks. From managing emails to scheduling appointments, virtual assistants are the unsung heroes behind many successful businesses. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree, just strong organizational skills and a desire to help. With platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual, you can easily find VA gigs that pay anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour. So, are you the one everyone goes to when they need something done? If yes, this could be the hustle for you. Social media management, social media management. With the world obsessed with Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, businesses are dying for help in managing their online presence. If you're already spending hours on these platforms, why not get paid for it? As a social media manager, you can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month per client, depending on the services you provide. You'll be posting, engaging, and tracking analytics for small businesses and influencers. But here's the kicker. The more clients you get, the more money you make. If you've got creativity and an eye for trends, this could be your chance to turn social media into a full-fledged side hustle. Drop shipping. Fiverr drop shipping. It's the buzzword in the world of online businesses. The idea? You sell products without ever touching them. A customer buys from your store, and your supplier handles the shipping. The beauty of drop shipping, you don't have to worry about inventory or fulfillment. You just focus on finding profitable products and marketing them. You could easily make $500 or more a month with the right products and strategy. But this hustle isn't without challenges. Competition is fierce. You need to be smart about your niche and find products that stand out. But once you crack that code, you'll be able to scale this side hustle quickly. Affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. If you have an audience, whether it's on a blog, YouTube, or social media, you can earn money by promoting other people's products. You make a commission every time someone buys through your referral link. Affiliate marketing is a passive income goldmine. The best part? You don't need to create your own product. Simply promote products that align with your audience's needs and watch the money roll in. You could easily make $500 or more a month by recommending products you believe in. But remember, it's about trust. Your audience will only buy from you if they believe in your recommendations, so choose wisely. Dog walking, pet sitting. Dog walking and pet sitting. If you love animals, this side hustle is for you. People will pay you to walk their dogs, feed their pets, and keep them company while they're away. You can make $15 to $50 per walk or sitting session, and the best part, you're getting paid to be outside, active, and with furry friends. This hustle is great for anyone looking for flexible, fun work. But don't forget, you're responsible for someone else's pet. Be trustworthy, and you'll build a loyal client base. Building momentum photography. If you have a camera and a good eye, photography can be an incredible side hustle. Whether it's shooting events, portraits, or even selling stock photos online, there's money to be made. Photography is not just about capturing moments, it's about providing value. You can charge $100 or more per session, depending on what you're shooting. The key? Start by building a portfolio and marketing yourself. But be warned, it takes time to develop your skills and reputation. But with patience and persistence, this hustle can become a full-time income. Climax, the ultimate hustle online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, whether it's math, science, or even teaching English as a second language, online tutoring could be your golden ticket. Websites like VIPKid and Chegg make it easy to find students in need of your expertise. With tutoring, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject. And the best part? You can work from anywhere in the world. But be aware, successful tutoring is all about patience, communication, and finding students who need your help. Conclusion. Big reveal. Creating and selling digital products. This side hustle is what can take your income to the next level. Think ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or digital designs. If you have a skill, you can turn it into a product and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. The beauty of this hustle, once you create your digital product, it can generate passive income for years. You can make money while you sleep. It's scalable, flexible, and if done right, one of the most lucrative side hustles you can start today. The best part? It requires little to no startup costs. All you need is your expertise and the desire to share it with others. So there you have it. Whether you want to write, create, teach, or manage, there's a side hustle here for you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on living a financially free life. See you in the next one.